Restart the video because I couldn't get it to flip around. So when I come home, I don't get greeted anymore by my little puppy, Kyra. He's around here on the side. He's checking all the plants out and make sure they're well watered and stuff. So my little cockapoo. So he comes out every once in a while. When I come home, I let him out. He comes around, checks all my tire pressures and all the little flower pots and stuff, and make sure they're all well taken care of. As I said, he's a cockapoo. He comes around, checks all the flowers and all the weeds and stuff. He is a cockapoo, and he is 17 years old and gets around pretty good. So he just comes around and makes sure everything. So when I come in, the first thing I do when I get up in the morning, I get him out and let him get his exercise. And I think that's the reason he's kind of made it 17 years. It's kind of hard of hearing now. He don't hear so well. He sees all right and he smells all right. You can see him smelling. He's checking to see if his girlfriend's over next door. Come on, old man. Let's go back around front. So anyway, we make sure he's all well taken care of. Gets to come out and pee, and first thing in the morning. He's well trained. He don't pee in the house. Hasn't ever since we've had him. You know, we've done a training regimen on us, the human part of it, to make sure that we treat him right. Get him out when you come home. When you get up, get him out. Get him out. Let him have some exercise and go out and check the tire pressures and stuff. And you have to watch him during the day. You have to watch him real close, or he'll disappear on you. Nighttime, he does pretty good. He goes out and comes back in, but gotta follow him around. Kyra, come here. Come here. See, he's hard of hearing. Come on, this way. Come on, you don't have to go all the way out there. Hey. Come here. Let's go this way. Come on. Let's go this way. Go back that way. Get out too close to the road. So we'll get him back indoors. He's a treat dog. He likes treats. So he will not let me sit down or do anything without getting him a treat. I mean, I've tested him and stuff, and he just won't. He won't give up. So we'll get him inside, and then check him out. So he's gonna go straight for the treat. I just got done changing the tire. Wife had a flat tire, so I hope the phone don't fog up. Okay, so he's checking for a treat. And check for a treat. See, turning around, checking for a treat. Give me my treat. Give me my treat. Old man got him gray whiskers and everything. So let me get him a treat real quick. There you go. And off he goes. So that's my buddy, Kyra. All right, guys. See you later.